on fire! What? Not real fire, but almost fire. Very close to fire. Leo, what happened? Dad happened, Lily. Dad happened. Dad, why is everything black?
I was experimenting.
Dad, the smoke alarm is going off.
Okay, everyone. I will be back by 7.
Where are you going, Mom?
I have a work dinner tonight. Dad will make dinner.
Dad will cook?
Yes, Leo. Dad is a very capable man.
Thank you, honey. I am very capable.
Mom, should we order pizza now or later?
Lily, Dad can cook. Give him a chance.
Lily, I cook all the time.
Dad, you make sandwiches. That is not cooking.
Sandwiches require skill, Lily.
Honey, please make something simple. Pasta, maybe?
Honey, I am making my famous chicken stir-fry tonight.
Your famous what?
My famous chicken stir-fry. The kids will love it.
Mike, you have never made chicken stir-fry.
There is a first time for everything, honey.
I will leave the pizza number on the fridge.
Okay, kids. Dinner will be ready in 30 minutes.
What do you need, Dad?
I need chicken, vegetables, soy sauce, and confidence.
Dad, we don't have soy sauce.
We definitely have soy sauce, Lily.
We have ketchup, mustard, and hot sauce.
Hot sauce works. Hot sauce is basically soy sauce.
Dad, hot sauce is not basically soy sauce.
They are both sauces, Leo. Same family.
Dad, that is not how cooking works.
Lily, trust the chef, please.
Dad, are you the chef?
Tonight I am the chef, Leo. Now stand back. The magic is about to happen.
Should we call Mom? Not yet. Give him 5 minutes.
Okay, high heat for stir-fry.
Dad, the recipe says medium heat.
Lily, high heat is faster. I am a busy man.
Dad, the oil is making a very scary sound.
That means it is ready!
Dad, the oil is everywhere.
That is called searing, Leo. Very professional technique.
Dad, your shirt has oil on it.
Huh? Chefs get dirty, Lily. Gordon Ramsay gets dirty.
Dad, Gordon Ramsay doesn't set off the smoke alarm.
It's fine! Just a little smoke.
Dad, open the window!
See? Under control.
Dad, the chicken is black on one side.
That is called caramelized, Leo.
Is it supposed to be completely black?
That is extra caramelized. Eat around the dark parts. Okay, new plan. I will cut off the black parts.
Dad, the whole piece is black.
Then I will cut off all the parts and start fresh.
Dad, there is nothing left if you cut all the parts.
You make a good point, Leo.
Dad, let's just order pizza.
Lily, I am not giving up. Johnson men never give up.
Dad, Grandpa always gives up.
Your grandfather is the exception, Leo. I will make pasta, simple pasta.
Mom said pasta. That was the original plan, Dad.
Then I am returning to the original plan. With confidence.
Dad, do you know how to make pasta?
Huh? Leo, pasta is just noodles in water. Very simple.
This is going to be bad. So bad.
Pasta in 20 minutes.
Dad, did you put salt in the water?
Salt? In water?
Yes, Dad. You always salt the pasta water.
Why would you put salt in water?
It makes the pasta taste better, Dad.
That sounds made up, Lily.
Dad, every chef does it.
Fine. Salt in the water. Happy?
Dad, how much salt did you put in?
A lot. More salt means more flavor, Leo.
Dad, that is way too much salt.
Lily, trust the chef.
Dad, this tastes like the ocean.
The ocean has a very unique flavor, Leo.
Dad, I cannot eat this.
That is quite salty.
Dad, it is extremely salty.
I may have used too much salt.
Dad, I am calling the pizza place.
Lily, I am not done cooking.
Dad, we have no chicken and very salty pasta.
I can fix the pasta.
Dad, you cannot unsalt pasta.
Can you unsalt pasta?
No, Dad, you cannot.
Call the pizza place, Lily.
Hello? 1 large pepperoni and 1 large cheese, please. Dad, are you okay?
I am fine, Leo. Just thinking.
About what, Dad?
About how your mother makes this look so easy every single day.
Dad, Mom is really good at cooking.
She really is, Lily. She really is.
Dad, you tried your best.
My best was not very good today, Leo.
Dad, at least you didn't burn the house down.
That is true. Low bar, but I cleared it.
Hello, everyone. How was dinner?
Mom! Dad lost an eyebrow!
He what?
It was a very small eyebrow incident, honey.
Mike! Your eyebrow!
The important thing is everyone is safe.
What is that smell?
Burnt chicken, salty pasta, and regret, Mom.
We ended up ordering pizza, honey.
Mike, what happened in here?
I was experimenting with high-heat cooking techniques.
The ceiling is black, Mike.
That is a feature now, honey.
You are impossible.
Honey, I have a new appreciation for everything you do.
Do you?
Every single day, you are amazing.
The pizza smells good, at least.
Extra cheese. I ordered extra cheese for you.
That does not fix the ceiling, Mike.
No. But it helps a little?
A very little.
Does your dad cook at home? Tell us in the comments. Is he a good cook or a dad cook? Don't forget to like and share this video. And subscribe to Easy Say English for more fun stories. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.